Guys, just looking at some trades for y'all today from pre-market. Gonna go over NAS. That was the only one in pre that I liked. Basically it had enough traffic to make these moves right here. Did make this move at the open, got that move, and then a retrend right here. Target 1, target 2 back on the way up, failed at target 2, which is fine. That's also the pre-market high right here. So hopefully you didn't buy resistance, you bought support, and it kept coming down. Got this trade as well. That was a big fight there. It slammed down. I did take I think a $50 loss there. I did put an order up 50% fibs, and it came right back up and grabbed me. So it was a $25 loss, no big deal. And then got right back into it and took it all the way back to VWAP. Because underside VWAP, a lot of traffic, it's still going. Still have some orders on the board for a pivot point. We'll see if it hits it later today. That was actually an order from yesterday that's still on here. Serve is the current one that's just crazy. All the other stocks were just kind of choppy all this morning. I think Amex ran at the open as well. I didn't get that because you eventually have to focus on one trade. But yeah, if you can start seeing these trades, you know, going up and proving themselves, 1, 2, and then a breakdown real quick, and then it keep proving itself over these marks every time. So as long as you can do that, I think you'll be fine. And then you have August, I think that was a buyout. And let's go back to Serve. So Serve has to hit a mountain sometimes. I have a lot of test orders right here for a backside. Scalp it on the way up, but there's a lot of backside that hopefully is going to come. So just all these key points right here. I think it should test and bounce like right here. That was a crazy trade if you're willing to take it. Basically showing you a doji in a different format, and it could break right here, and it could not break right here as well. So you could go 6. So I doubt it breaks that, but it should. Look, it's a lot of overbought, meaning overbought. It was already overbought here, and it's just been riding up the whole time. So it should fail. See right here, that one that you would normally jump in on because of this little activity. That's kind of like the FOMO. I set it up, but I don't. Right here would have been your trade if you'd have got on that candle. This is also called a bear flag on the way down. So we're looking for that, and I'm looking for all these test shares to be bought up on the way down at previous levels. So right here would be your first previous level. If you want to take a trade right here, it's a little high. They should have a lot more dip off, but it's still a pretty decent fight right here. So you can see if you can get a dime out of that move. Going to be at the 576. We'll see if it can bounce here and go back up a little bit. Otherwise, I like to retrace off of a candle, and we'll see if it gets a 576 to 586. It just did. I didn't take it, but it just did right here at that previous level. It went back up a dime. And then we'll be looking at this level right here, and then all these levels that were on the way up, because I didn't think it was going to go this crazy up. So, but right here, if you're looking to do some backside scalping, you definitely want to them down and retrend. Otherwise, it has to beat that candle right there, and I don't think it's going to beat it. If you're looking for a bigger move, it's going to have to come at that 592 level. Here's a doji, could be reversal short term, but right here, if you're going to take another trade. Otherwise, that would be the one right there, because it's basically made a platform for yourself. And that's what it should be proving, if it's gonna move or not. And it just did it. So right here, it just did this move to this move. Just doing test shares on the backside. Going to get caught on the wrong side, because if you don't get it on the first move up, the down move really doesn't happen that often, because eventually it just loses interest and it goes down. I'm going to just do my stop loss in front of you so you see it. Let it get over. Okay, that trade worked, even though it should have worked on the way up. You got to used to getting it on the way up. And this could fail on the way down as well, but that would have been a retrade right here. If it re-breaks, that just means there's enough buyers to outbuy sellers, and sellers have to keep buying, or they're just eating it. One of the two. So that's on that one. Those are served. So basically we had a trader in our room call this out, Michael, because we were stuck on other ones. What you'll do is I'm going to go ahead and draw what he saw. He takes lessons from me. Basically we're just seeing the stock go down but get skinnier on the moves. You'll see him get skinnier right here. Here's the move right here. That's the inverted head and shoulders. If you wanted another one, that's the previous test level right here. And now you're over the first 5 minutes of the day. Now you have people trapped in a short and can re-break here, and it just keeps re-breaking over and over and over again. And even that one just re-broke in front of you and tried to test the high. So, and that was on MACD red. We will see, but look at that climb any one of those levels if that's what you're getting in. I got a couple of these bull flag entries right here. So y'all have a great weekend. We will see you next week. Y'all have a good one. Thank you so much.